E aí, minhas preciosas, sejam bem-vindas de volta a mais um treino da Thali. E hoje teremos um treino HIIT com ênfase em abdômen de apenas 10 minutos. Não precisa de equipamento nenhum, são 45 segundos de execução e 15 segundos de descanso. Lembrando que se fosse para deixar esse treino ainda mais intenso, eu adicionaria algum peso ou repetiria a sequência 3 vezes. Então agora, bora treinar!
We gon' fuck up his life, all we need is your phone and some time. Boy, you don't know that we know about you, baby. Baby, we know about you, no excuse, baby. Baby, we got receipts. Girl, thanks for putting me up on game. I had a feeling he was up to no good anyways. We about to play with his head. He don't know who he dealing with. Send me your text thread. I know. Matter of fact, where he gon' be at? We should pull up on him around 9. And when I see him, you know it's on side. Yeah. He gon' pay for wasting our time. Yeah, yeah. We cut you in a lie, so we gon' fuck up your life. All we need is a little time. Boy, you don't know. We know about you, baby. Baby, we know about you. No excuse, baby. We got, baby, we know about you, baby. Baby, we know about you. No excuse, baby. Baby, we got receipts.
Mine was real? Yeah, girl, I tried to tell you. Man, tried to tell you. I had a feeling, but I was just, I don't know. He had the nerve to slide in the DM, though. We got something for you. He thought he could play us? Right. Oh, yeah, I got something for him. The receipts came in handy, though.
Oh yeah, cause it feels so right, cause it feels just like you. It's not her hair but the way she wears it. It's not the makeup around her eye, so much as the iris when she's glaring, staring right back at mine. It's not her lipstick but the imprint that her kiss makes through my mistakes, and I'm smiling while she's smiling. I can see her now. Remember when you buzzed your head and then I did it with you? Misty-eyed, emotional, I'm glad we took a picture. Remember when we dipped out from the weed farm cause the owner got popped and we needed to get gone like so long. Remember when December turned back into November and we kept checking in with each other about forever, ever. Remember dating a few honeys. Remember all the money that we spent getting ink, sun chasing, tasting drinks. Remember breakfast on a tray, living reckless, all the necklaces Spinel and gold. Remember diving in the cold water of the creek at the peak of winter season. Remember waking up like you was looking at the reason. Yes. Remember setting boundaries, remember crossing lines, coming hard like oh my god, multiples, so many times. Fun math, remember where you met me at the handshake, the conversation, flirtatious with the eye contact. Well I do, I know you do too, the spirit moves. Countless moments, hours, days in the months, teach me the difference between need and want. And I still feel love for you, cause it's true. And I still feel love for you, cause I do. How could we forget that? 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 Remember all the times that we went to bed dissatisfied, frustrated, disappointed, blaming each other for our pride. Remember how we've been married 3 times. Yosemite, the tree lines, New York, the skylines, Portland, the El High. Remember that we not tripping, emotions flipping. Some are more consistent, but most are like the surface of the creek that I mentioned. You deserve happiness, affection, and attention, and I will give you all of mine anytime. And never forget, you're one of the best people that I've ever met or ever known. Just so you know, and I confess that your caress, watching you smile, is one of the purest joys that I've ever known. Flown with you, drove with you, camped in my home. Felt like I'd leave you for leaving me low. Broke but still working, heartache is so slow. Know that I love you wherever you go. Who is us? Trusting in invisible gods at low tide. Provide you with the pillow, for real though. And who are we? Still haven't got a clue, but I do remember who went with me to the temple to learn about what they meant when they say refuge. And it was you, and it still is. And I'm so glad that it's you. And I'm so glad that it's you. You're the truth. Countless moments, hours, days in the month. Teach me the difference between need and want. And I still feel both for you, and I still feel both for you, cause I do. How could we forget that? 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 How could we forget that?
Touch and roll, barely touch my phone. Is it too much for you? Is it too much for you? Groupie love me, camera like me, yeah. Is it too much for you? Is it too much for you? I make you feel like how you looking. What's that? Good, a natural woman. You know the amount of work that I put in. You know how I'm still trying to get my foot in the door while I'm trying to keep your soul nourished. Yes, it is love, but my goal's still important. Way more than clothes and cars, that's important. No more clearance, so I can't afford it. What's poor in my life? You deserve what you want for tomorrow and today, girl. I'm coming home late, girl. When I get back off tour, then it's a date, girl. Got you reeled in, you my bae, take the bait, girl. High heels, fashion over dress, gon' slay, girl. You got good taste, girl. Lobster and steak, girl. Backside cake, girl. Should've been a baker. Too much is never enough, so what you say, girl? Touch and roll, barely touch my phone. Is it too much for you? Is it too much for you? Groupie love me, camera like me, yeah. Is it too much for you? Is it too much for you? Miss Dark Tent, I'm your Clark Kent. Body like a Benz, let me park it. Get you started. Where you tryna go? Like, for instance, maybe the distance, even when I'm distant. You feel me? You too fine to be ever done filthy. Touch and roll, then I'm touch and roll. Girl, I got to go, but I'm coming home like, do your back hurt? I can fix that. You had an ex-man, that's a big cat. Those before me, you can't forget that. He only hit that, didn't commit that. Head on my six-pack, Netflix and kickback. I love the contact, when I'm gone I miss that. Is it mutual? Do you too? Not what you used to, I'm way more useful. I'm saying touch and roll, barely touch my phone, barely touch my phone. Is it too much for you? Is it too much for you? Groupie love me, camera like me, yeah. Is it too much for you? Is it too much for you? Two-step, ayy, two-step, ayy, two-step, ayy. Two-step, ayy, two-step, ayy, ayy. 1, 2-step, ayy, two-step, ayy, two-step, ayy, ayy. 1, 2-step, ayy, two-step, ayy. Everybody doing it, ayy. Two-step, ayy, two-step, ayy, two-step, ayy, ayy. 2-step, ayy, two-step, ayy, two-step, ayy, ayy. 1, 2-step, ayy, two-step, ayy, two-step, ayy, ayy. 2-step, ayy, two-step, ayy, two-step, ayy.
I don't know where to begin. Could be the curves on your body, but then could be your hair, maybe your skin. Yeah, baby girl, I'm tryna get with you. Come, let me see what we get into. It don't even gotta be physical, as long as that pretty face visible. Yeah.
7 p.m. it's a day. Oh, baby, you know I'll probably be late. It's a bad habit, no, you can't be late. I'm sorry, but just stop with me, babe. I promise it's gonna be worth your patience. When you see me in this dress, looking scrumptious, take a sniff, honey, guess what my scent is. Did you re-reserve the table? Shit, let's keep going. But when I get you
I'm waiting outside, be going for a ride, explore the unknown. Anticipating and thinking about when I'ma get you alone. Picking you even if you had a clone. Baby, I'm wavy, I'm sipping Patron. You feeling me, got your poker face on. Take you for a ride. We listen to music, I'm touching your thighs. I'm feeling your style. You different, you giving the kid butterflies. We made it in time. You better than bad, finer than wine.
Well, thank you, baby. You get what you see when you're patient. Even now I'm tired of waiting. Come, let me see what you're working with. And I'ma show you why I'm your favorite. Yeah. But when I get you on